So generally po, in behalf of our PNP, we are ready and we are deployed and we have not monitored so far major threat that could affect or disrupt the conduct of the election this coming May 12. We are also preparing for the deployment of tawag natin dito mga SEBs or Special Electoral Boards, properly trained, more than 3,000 of them, members of the Philippine National Police, should our COMELEC as assistance from the PNP na hindi na kaya matugunan ng ating mga teachers, yung mga areas kung saan ay may mga factors affecting na hindi nila maabot. So we are ready to provide these trained SEBs as requested by the COMELEC.
Sa traditional po natin na kaso ng vote buying, meron po tayong 5. Ito po ay pagbibigay ng mga groceries, o tinatawag po natin na ayuda, na kung saan ang pagbibigay po ng ayuda o yung mga kauri nito, yung mga tupad, etc. Ang pinagbabawal po ito is 10 days before elections. So ang datos po natin, doon sa traditional na nakasuhan po natin ay meron po tayong 5.
Just to show proof na may ginagawa pong ating Philippine National Police. We have these election-related incidents. But on top of that, as of May 8, 2025, yung nahuli po ng ating Philippine National Police on gun ban alone is 2,863. Out of these 2,863, sa sipag po nating PNP, 195 of that were apprehended, arrested during checkpoint. Yung iba din po is 1,474 sa police response and patrol operation. Despite of the ongoing election, mayroon pang 471 anti-illegal drugs operation ang ginawa ang PNP. This covers January 12, pagsimula po ng ating election period until May 8. And we have confiscated more than 3,000 firearms, small arms, light weapons, and we have arrested 2,940. So I think this is a proof that the PNP is working hard 24/7 to make this election safe and secure.